I'm going to show you my homemade laser mount. I've had the nice laser, the $700 laser, the Milwaukee laser for a while now, and I love it, but I've never had a good mount. So let me show you what I came up with and show you how I made it. Here's my laser, $700 laser. It works great, so it puts the laser everywhere I want it to. But now, how do I hold it and keep it from falling off and falling to the ground? Here it is right here. It's just a piece of metal, see? Because this has the super powerful magnets on the back right here. If I was to try to put this plate on, and I could not take it off with one hand. I just couldn't do it. So I don't have metalworking tools or anything, but here's what I did. I took a drill bit right here, which this size is, I don't know, I can't even focus on it, but it doesn't matter. Just find a nail, just whatever nail you want. I always have these nails in my tool bags. So it's just a off the gun nail. So this bottom hole with the bigger bit needs to be able to receive the nail head. See that? And then the top hole needs to be with the smaller bit. And I don't know what happened to my smaller bit, but it's not this one. I'm just showing you this for the purpose of the video. But the other one just goes like this, okay? So how I drilled this is, I just use, oh, here's my other drill. It's inside the drill, see? So I just clamped this down onto a piece of wood. I should have clamped it, but I just held it down with my hands, but you should clamp it. And then, so you don't burn up your drill bit, just take your oil. I just have my air tool oil, but you can use WD-40. Just dump the oil on there and keep drilling. And so how I did the bigger hole is I drilled it first, and then a little hole I drilled right here, and then I took another hole there, and then I took the drill like this on an angle, and I just kept ramming it up there until I got that slot. So now that that's on, once I'm framing and I know roughly what height I want to put my laser, you know, probably within 6 inches, I just pound my nails there. I go ahead and I set my plate on. I go ahead and set my plate on, and then I pull this down, and I'm gonna have to put the camera down, and I'm gonna have to do this with the hammer because that's how I got it on. So I think you can still see that. But I just take the hammer, because my nails are pounded in too far, but see that? You just go down there, and then check out the lasers. Super strong magnets. It's gonna stick there. I can't, and then I can take it and I can adjust. I can turn my laser on like this, and I can just adjust. I can just drag it down, slowly drag it down this plate, and I can just keep dragging my laser till I get it where I want it, and then that'll stay with that really strong magnet. But like I say, you're gonna need to get your height set up within a few inches of where you want it, and then you can just slowly drag it downhill or drag it uphill until it shows where your laser is. So once I get my laser mounted on like that, let's pretend I'm aiming for that doorway, or let's pretend I'm aiming for the middle of the window clear over there. Now I have a laser line throughout my whole building. So I've always loved my laser, but now I have a little easy, cheap, free mount when I can mount it to wood without having it fall off. So I hope the I hope you can take and mount your laser like I did. Just make sure you got the really nice strong magnets on your laser. Otherwise this probably won't work for you. You have to come up with something else. So I'll see you next video.